Caution. A virus has been detected.
What you doing?
I'm recording the road. Now I'm recording you.
You see, I dislike you strongly.
Hey, nothing you can do about it. You're driving.
I could drive us off the road.
Whee! Just because I'm recording you? I think that's a little bit of overkill.
By somebody else's standards, maybe.
By everybody's standards.
Except me, and I'm the one who matters.
Please
Or
don't kill me.
Just kind of run into the cement, like, things.
Please don't kill me.
No. To run in your side into the wall, though, I'd have to pull a Yui on the highway. Think I could do it?
I don't doubt you, but I still think it'd be a bad idea.
Oh, no, there's cement on that side. Let's go to the tunnel! Ah! It's really bright. It's kind of painful. I forgot to lock my dress!
Alright, Kels, what kind of hamsters do you have?
I have cannibalistic hamsters with Febreze, ShamWow, and cattle prods in my brain. I think something is wrong with me. I think it all started when I lost my brain trying to find a gas station. Hotels, pancakes, hotels, but no gas station. Don't people need gas to get to the pancake place from the hotel? Right lane and... Ha! You two suck. You're in the right lane. You're going to end.